Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be showing you these old Lord of the Rings toys. Not that old, but, you know, a little bit. So we're not going to take them out of the box. We're just going to show you the boxes and what the people look like. But we're going to do a video when they're opened. Yeah. So first off, we're going to do this one. Can they see? So here's Lord of the Rings. It's Attack on Rohan. Okay. And it comes with Wild Man, Oran. Why does it have
Uruk-hai Warrior.
Okay, Uruk-hai Warrior and Orc
Whip Master.
Okay, Whip Master.
Okay, put it close to the camera so that they can see the people inside.
Okay, can they see? So here is the, what is it?
Here, I'll just do this.
Here's
part.
this guy. Right here. See him? And then there's Wild Man.
Wait, put it on the camera.
There's Wild Man right there.
And then there's one more. And then this is the Orc Whip Master.
Orc Whip Master. Yeah. That's that one. And here's the back. If you wanted to see the back, it says Lord of the Rings. And you can pause the video if you want to read that. Okay. And then there's these cool looking sets. I like that dragon one. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And all of these other figures included. Yeah. So, next one, we have Merry
and Rohan armor on. So that's what it is.
Yeah.
He's a hobbit.
Yeah,
he has
he's a
hairy
hobbit.
feet. Lily's in the way now.
Yeah. And get out of the way. Okay. So,
Lily.
yeah, he's on a horse. And yeah, the back.
It's a pony because
Yeah.
he's a hobbit.
And you can see it up close. So you can pause the video to read that if you want his Lord of the Rings again and all of these cool looking sets. Okay, next one. This one. Lily, go. Okay.
Lily.
It's the Lord of the Rings.
This is Moranon Orcon Ward.
Yeah.
So he's riding the ward.
Yeah. So here you can see it close. Yeah, on the back. That's the back of the box. Then we got this one, the big pack, which was one of our favorites, right?
Right.
Yeah. So what it comes with is the gray.
Gandalf the Grey.
Gandalf the Grey.
It comes with Gandalf the Grey, Bilbo. Not Bilbo.
Bilbo.
Frodo Baggins.
Frodo.
That's Frodo. Bilbo's over there. Boromir, Merry, Pippin, Gimli, Sam Gamgee. I didn't know that was the last name. And Aragorn. So.
Okay, is that it?
That's everybody. But do you want to look at the front and the people really quick?
Oh.
So.
Here's up close. Nobody. I've tried to get it.
You can't see Gandalf, but he's right there.
Yeah.
Kind of see them in the light. You'll be able to see them better when they're out of the box.
Yeah, in that other video. So, here's the back of the box with all that stuff. Okay, now the final one is the Lord of the Rings
11th birthday celebration
11th
Bilbo.
birthday celebration Bilbo.
So this is Bilbo when he's old. This isn't Hobbit Bilbo.
Yeah. So he comes with the hairy feet.
Hairy feet.
And
He
his
has
face
two-
is creepy.
He has 2 barrels that he comes
No,
with.
he doesn't come with 2 barrels. You put them together.
Oh, so he comes with a barrel.
Yeah.
Yes, he comes with a barrel.
And he's a posable action figure.
This one's
And
bigger than all the other
You can
regular
pause the
ones.
video if you want to read that.
Wait.
Okay. So, I hope you like this video. And I will see you guys next time on the video that we're going to make next. And see our other videos of me Coleman painting our pencils and stuff. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And my Lego videos too. So, bye! Let's hurry. Let's go.